So Samsung rolled on their One UI 3.1 in Android 11 update for their Samsung phones, and there's one for the A50. Here you can see the software update came very before, but I didn't got time to make video, and here's I am downloading the update. Some new features which you will get in the update: visual design, improved performance, better customizations, home screen and lock screen enhanced features, call and chats, pictures and videos, settings, Samsung keyboard, productivity, and blah 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 blah. Here, if you will go up and see, it's downloading update. My internet is really slow. With slow, I mean really slow. It will take a lot of time to download the update. When it will download, I'll again complete the video. So now the update is downloaded, and if we go to the update section and you will click on, now the update is downloaded and I have started to download it. It's processing the update package, and the One UI 3.1 update Android 11 should have got the phone very earlier, but Samsung delayed it. I don't know why. After the whole update is done, I'll come back again. So there's a new update screen where the Android logo is there, and it's rotating and it's processing. So the phone has been updated, and let's check it out. I can feel the vibration. There's vibration when you press the back or the center or the tab button. Let's open the phone. So the software has been updated. I can see there's some vibration on these buttons. New animation, and this edge panel. You can open anything. And if you swipe down from up, there is a notification panel. It has changed a lot. And if we go to settings, and here we see that the settings has also changed. Many new features are added. Here's the navigation bar, the swipe gestures, this one also vibrates, but I like this ones. The new camera layout is also there. If we check it out here, new camera layout is there. Click on more. If you open the phone app and click here, and we go to settings, record calls, auto record calls, and call background. You can change the call background and layout. Here's, you can set any background for call recording. These many new features are added. If we go here and secure folder, what? I updated the phone and it just got Josh in it. Deleted. Oh, new uninstall app info. New layout. There's also the new icons for the lock screen. These are gone black, and the new icon for fingerprint sensor. Also there is a new volume panel. I think it feels like MI UI1, but it looks cool. If we head to the settings, about phone, software information, Android version. Here it is. You just need to roll it out here as A11. I think the phone's really smooth after the update, and I'm really liking the update very much. Many new features are added. You can just access the notification history if you go here. Oh, I see the vibration is also changed. It's a lot more now loud. Here's the new feature called notification history. You can turn on this, and if you swipe down any notification, you can quickly access that notification after coming to notification history. Stay tuned to the channel, press the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.